What's up, guys? Another week, another challenge, right? So we started the new Ftmo challenge, guys. Let me show you. And by the way, now I'm gonna upload these days, like Monday, Tuesday, trading days. I'm gonna upload it on Wednesday, so it's gonna be easier for you guys as well, just to watch only one video, and for me as well to cut and edit the stuff. So I'm gonna post one on Wednesday, every Wednesday, and every Friday I'm gonna post the Wednesday, Thursdays trading session. And yeah, on Sunday probably I'm gonna make some other videos like psychology stuff for trading. So stay tuned, yeah? Alright, so let's start with the Monday, right? This video as well is gonna have like two parts. So I'm gonna start with Mondays, and after that we're gonna continue with the Tuesdays ones after the live trade of Monday. Alright, so what happened on Monday? We had this uptrend from here, but it wasn't anything crazy because it's yeah, as you see, it's not a big movement. You can see the candles as well. Just check the volume, and if you can see the volume in here, it's much less than in here when I'm trading, you know. So that means more people trading at this time, and yeah, it's just easier to make money for me. I mean, with this pair. So yeah, on Monday I wanted to get out as quick as possible because it was Valentine's Day today, you know, on Tuesday, so I wanted to enjoy my day with my baby. And yeah, man. So I entered this trade because this level in here was a supply zone, right? It was a small supply. So my whole idea was like, let me cut this off. So my whole idea was like, based on the 15 minutes, right? So the 15 minutes show me this. So we have here a zone which haven't been filled, right? Here's another zone which haven't been filled. This whole zone haven't been filled actually. And we have these two EMAs which are crossed each other. So that was a good indication for me that this thing wants to go up. And yeah, it did went up. So I was fucking happy, man. So how we entered the trade, let's see, 2:30, this was the opening, this big bearish candle. And I knew that actually they're not gonna just go down and stuff like that. Firstly, I thought that they're gonna start the buy side, and after that we're gonna go to the sell side. But they started with the sell side in here with this drop. So I was like, all right, it's better for me because I can buy it with a better position, you know. And we had this shifting momentum to the downside after we grabbed these people who had their stop losses there. So whatever was here or here, it got grabbed, as you see in here. And we even filled this little supply zone over there, which gave me another indication that this thing might gonna go up, guys. So when this happened, this is one of my favorite setup actually. One bearish, one bullish, after that a bearish with a rejection, and after that it's coming a bullish which is breaking this little small time frame structure, right? So we broke this one, I entered the trade, and my ideology was like to get this zone, right? To reach this zone and get out somewhere from there. But it was rejecting from here, as you see. And when this came and this came back, this big bearish candle, I was like, all right, you know what? I'm just gonna go to the city, enjoying this day with my girl. I'm not gonna wait, like, who knows, maybe this thing is just gonna come down here and after that it's gonna go up, or maybe it's just gonna slash everyone out and yeah, it's just gonna fuck me over. So I was like, all right, you know what, 2% is fine for me, man. I'm just gonna take it off and cash it up, and yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my day, you know. So yeah, this was Monday, right? So for the Tuesday trade, I'm gonna, guys, show you the after the live trading video, right? So stay tuned, guys. Let's see for a buy, guys. I'm gonna buy the 37 lot. I'm gonna see how this candle is gonna close. If it closes something like this, I'm gonna buy it. Just need to break this zone and we're good to go. Wicks up. There is no chance he's gonna turn back from here. It's an unfortunate move if it's gonna turn from there, you know. We have some selling pressure from that zone, that's 100%, but still, man, we need to fill out this. I'm just gonna close it maybe, I don't know. Still looks good, but yeah, I think it's alright, man. Look at that, how close we are for this fucking zone. Maybe I'm just gonna close it with 1.6k and that's it. I'm just gonna close it, man. That's it. Alright guys, we made like 2%. Not even 2, but it's alright. Just don't wanna hold it because it doesn't look promising from this point. And yeah. So that was the first day. 1.5%, which is not a lot, but still something, you know. I don't wanna risk it because it's already doing this dodgy thing, which is gonna be a reversal. Maybe it's gonna reach this zone, but who knows, you know. I don't wanna wait like 20 more minutes. So guys, that was the first day, yeah. Cheers. Alright guys, I hope you're still here, right? And yeah, let's continue with the Tuesday trading session, right? How Tuesday was, it was a news event, daytime, 1:30 as usual. And they swipe, look at it, they swiped out everyone. Everybody got fucked. So I really like news events. I mean, after the news event, when the storms hits you, it's this part, you know, and after that it's quite chilled, you know, it's nothing like crazy things happening. So that's why I like these days, man, because a loads of movements, a loads of like manipulation after that as well, but we're not gonna have these big spikes like what we had in here. So that's why I'm like pretty safe to trade in this scenario, right? So what happened on Tuesday, it was a pretty fucked up session, to be honest. I like Tuesdays, but I just couldn't believe my eyes, the same setup happening like what happened on Monday, right? So look at that, 230 push down, one candle bullish, one bearish, which rejected from there, and we came with a big bullish candle. I was like, man, I'm gonna wait now for one more confirmation with a retest or something like that, because I was looking at these zones, right? So where is it? So this one was rejecting from this part, which is actually a good zone. It looks like loads of, I mean, yesterday the whole move started from there, right? So it looks pretty good. Look at that. It's exactly retraced back to the supply zone where the whole move started yesterday. So I was like, all right, man, we have a good chance that we're gonna go up, right? And after that, what I did, man, you're gonna see it actually in the live trade. So my trade was, I believe it was something like this. So when this happened, or something like this, I'm not sure, I think it was from here, not sure, but I miscalculated my stop loss, man, and I had to get out from the trade like as soon as I could. And yeah, I got out from somewhere here with a plus, I don't know, I believe 300 pounds or something like that. So I got out from somewhere there because I was like, man, this tiny stop loss is not gonna save me from anything, man. So if they're gonna push back the price to this point, I'm just gonna get out, I'm gonna be angry, I'm gonna be super depressed. So I was like, all right, I'm not gonna risk it, guys, because obviously with this stop loss, because it was something like this, we could have banged like 8%, but I'm not gonna risk it because it's my trading plan is like, even though if I'm gonna enter here, I need to place my stop loss somewhere here, right? So if I'm gonna place it here, it's obviously it would have been like 3-4%, not 8, which is for me it's the best, you know. And yeah, so I closed it somewhere there, you're gonna see it. And after that I've been just waiting, man, because we went for a dinner later on with my babe, and yeah, we actually had like 1 more hour to wait to go. So I was like, you know what, let's give some more time for these things, man. Let's see if we're gonna get a good reversal from this zone and maybe I can enter for a sell. And yeah, that's what happened. So as soon as this candle came, this bearish engulfing, I know it didn't break any structure. I mean, it break a little bit if you go to the 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds. It break a little structure because as you can see, this one is like a flag pattern. So we went up, and after we had this crazy push to the downside, and when we had this bearish engulfing, I was like, all right, let's enter here. So I entered there, I put my stop loss over there, and my initial target was this part, this supply zone, because I wasn't sure if they're gonna bring the price back here. Because there are the EMAs as well, you know, there are like that's a good zone, I think, for reversal or for a retest, you know. So in my idea I was like, all right, I think in here it's possible they're gonna push it back, right? But I was like checking this fucking EMAs as well, you know, if any sort of like rejection coming out from there, and it actually rejected this candle. And after that, this candle started with a bullish move. So I was not scared, but I was a bit skeptical, where is it gonna go? So I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna get out now, I can make 1,000 on this trade, and plus this trade, it's gonna be obviously 2%. So I was like, man, 2% for this day, it's not bad, man. Honestly, I could have banked here and here as well, even more. But I was like, you know what, man, 2% is fucking great, man. It's 1,400, right? So we are overall, we up 3.5% on this account for the 2 days trading. And yeah, let's see how is it gonna continue, guys. Yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, yeah, and check this live trade, what's gonna happen after this little video, right? See you next time. It's actually looking good, man. I swear. Now we are at the support. I wanna see if they want to push down now this shit, or they're gonna reject and we're gonna go up. So that's why I'm waiting for a perfect entry. I'm just gonna get him. Oh fuck, you know. My entry is fucking bad, man. I'm just gonna take it off because I miscalculated my stop loss. I think I'm just gonna take it off because my stop loss is in a fucking bad position, man. If it closes back, if it's closing here, I'm just gonna take it off. I'm not gonna risk it because my stop loss is in a fucking shit position, man. Yeah, I will take it off, man. I don't care, man. It's a fuck. I don't like this trade, to be honest. Okay, guys, but I'm gonna wait now. I'm gonna wait for a good sell entry. Would be nice if this would reject back there, and after the drop, would be an amazing trade, man. If it gives me a bearish engulfing, man, I will enter. Oh my god, I might just gonna fucking enter this, man. We need to wait this candle. How is it gonna close, man? Let's get him, man. Just want to trade it till this point, man. 2.5%. That's it. Let's see if we're gonna have a rejection from here, or if we can finally fucking make it. Okay, now we are at the blue EMA. Now I'm reducing my risk. Next zone is this red EMA where it can reject. Now we have to watch out. Exactly there. Let's see if we can still go down, man. If not, I'm just gonna bang this profit and that's it, man. We are rejecting back from there. Let's see which side it's gonna go. I'm just gonna take it off, bro, with 900. Alright, that was a quick one because I knew that the trend is an uptrend, so I didn't want it to risk it actually from this zone. I was like, alright, let's close it as soon as I can. So I closed it somewhere here, which is alright, man. A little bit more than 1%, almost 2. That's it, man. And we are 3.5% in. Alright, guys. See you next time, yeah? Peace.